Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Have you ever wondered why parents, especially mothers, have this great ability to perceive the needs of their children even before they ask of it? They have this certain intuition, like a sixth sense, that only mothers have. Meron po akong isang gustong klase ng tinapay that I really like. And my mother would usually buy that for me. And whenever I would almost run out of this bread, my mother would intuitively send a fresh batch of bread, so I would not run out of it without even me asking for it. And in times that I would say, you know, Ma, I still have bread, she would remind me, don't skip your breakfast. She knew that I had extra bread because I was not eating. Tansyado niya, pati pagkain ko, kahit na hindi kami magkasama sa iisang bahay. Mothers have this intuition and they really know what's best. And I think it's not because they have a sixth sense. They have acquired the skill or this skill in doing one thing by loving, especially in their serving. You know, our Blessed Mother spoke only a few times in the Bible, 6 times to be exact. And in our gospel today, at the wedding at Cana, she spoke twice. She spoke the first time in the Gospels with these words, "They have no wine." These were words of a concerned mother who knew the implications of running out of wine in a wedding, and so she approached the right person. Pero may tanong ako, how did she know they were running out of wine? Did she have the sixth sense? Or was Mary a marites? I don't think so. The only way she would know that they are running out of wine was because she was helping in serving the guests. Only in serving can someone know the needs of his people. Only in serving can a mother know the needs of her children. You know, as we remember Our Lady of Lourdes on this World Day of the Sick, let us be reminded that our Blessed Mother knows all our needs, our prayers for healing and for strength, for guidance and for blessing and for sanctification and preservation. Not only because she is the Mother of God, but because she is our Mother too, who serves us in ways we could not even imagine. Her life of prayer and service in silence when she was still here on earth, as seen in the Gospel account, did not stop when she was assumed and crowned in heaven. Her prayers and supplications at the foot of the throne of God, pleading endlessly for us, and her apparitions here on earth, especially at Lourdes, to Saint Bernadette Soubirous, are proofs of her service and of her love. You know, she didn't need to appear to us here on earth. She's already in heaven, basking in the glory of God. But because of her motherly love, she never stopped serving us here on earth by her maternal reminders. And she pleads to her Son in heaven, for she knew we too can run out of wine. But she's just asking from us one thing. The same thing she asked the servants to do in the wedding. Do whatever he tells you. And they did not just have overflowing wine, they also had the best wine. My dear brothers and sisters, we have a mother who knows our needs because she constantly serves us and pleads for us. The least we can do as her children is to heed our mother's request. Do whatever Jesus tells us in this world, so that we can never run out of wine. And most importantly, so that we can partake in the heavenly marriage feast, where Jesus is the bridegroom, and there the heavenly wine is both endless and the best. Amen.